Today, we will talk about how to start a candle making business from home. Let's have a look at the details. Most people buy candles at one point or another, making them a great product for you to create and sell. To start a business, you first need to learn the appropriate skills for candle making. You also need to make your business legal and figure out where you are going to sell your candles to the public. The first step is making candles. Decide what type of candle you would like to make. When you're first starting out, it's best to stick with one or two products. In candles, making container candles is probably the simplest, but you can also make mold candles or taper candles. Pick a wax to work with. Waxes come in several main groups. Which group you choose is mostly based on preference. Learn the technique. One of the simplest ways to learn how to make candles is to take a class in your community. Or, you can also find a wide variety of tutorials online. In fact, you'll likely be able to find all you need to know online if that is your preference. Practice the technique. Before you start selling, you need to take time to build up your skill. Try working a little bit each day on your business, starting with practicing a bit each day. The second step is dealing with the legal side. Get a lawyer. When you're first starting your business, it can help to have a lawyer on your side. Pick a name for your business. Choose the appropriate business structure. If you intend to keep your business on a small scale, you have the main options of sole proprietorship and limited liability company. Apply for an employer identification number, EIN. This number identifies your business to the IRS. If you chose sole proprietorship, you don't absolutely need an EIN. Decide on the location of your business. Generally, if you own a small business without customers who visit your place of business, you can run it out of your home. Ask about permits. Your city may require you to have certain permits to run your business. Set up a business account. You can set up a business account with any bank. Keep track of your money. That is, make sure you are tracking what you spend and what you make. You don't necessarily need expensive software to keep track of it. You can do it in a spreadsheet if you want. Pay federal taxes quarterly. As a small business owner, you must pay your federal taxes quarterly if you expect to pay more than $1,000. Register for state taxes. Check with your state to see what it requires. You may even need to get a state identification number. And the third step is selling your product. Get a logo. You can design one yourself or hire a pro. Vend at craft fairs. Most cities, even small ones, have local craft shows where you can sell your wares. Sell in local stores. You have a couple of options when you offer crafts in local stores. Sell online. Craft websites are becoming more and more popular. You can also build your own website, but that takes some technical know-how, especially if you want to add a way to buy on the site. Market your product. One of the best ways to market your product is through social media. Basically, you set up business accounts on major social media websites. Use keywords and hashtags to your advantage. One way to help people find your product is to use keywords and hashtags to your advantage. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.